Hi.
Here's your mail.
Oh, thanks. What is that thing?
This, my friend, is an aeronautical delivery mail system.
Really? Kind of looks like a box.
No, it's an aeronautical delivery mail system. It's very cutting edge.
Cutting edge? Dude, you're sitting in a box.
Okay, all right, there were cutbacks.
Cutbacks? What happened to the S?
They were back ordered, okay?
So you just spray painted it on?
They wouldn't let me fly unless I had an S, so I spray painted it on.
You just spray painted one on there?
Well, they wouldn't let me fly without it. What are you gonna do? I had to do something.
That is the most ridiculous thing I've ever heard.
Well, it may be ridiculous to you, but it's an aeronautical delivery mail system, and enjoy your tax audit. Bye.
Oh, hey, what can I do for you today?
Oh, fill her up, please.
Got it. That's a nice looking ADMS. Well, except for the S. Are they still fat, baby?
Oh, geez, yeah, you know, government-run operation.
Tell me about it. Hey, well, it's full.
Great.
Should I put her under the government tab?
Yeah, please.
You got it. Have a safe flight.
All right, thanks so much.
No
See you
worries.
next time.
Well, now I've seen just about everything. What is this?
Here's your mail.
Oh, thank you.
This, my friend, is an aeronautical delivery mail system.
Okay. It looks like a box.
Well, yeah, it's a box, but it's a flying box.
Whoa! What the hell is that?
To be honest with you, I don't know. Well, listen, I gotta go.
Yeah, no,
Have a
thanks
good
anyway.
day. All right, bye-bye.
Bye.